You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
The weather's putting some stress on plants stuck in the sun, but I reached out to some local growers. Sonray Family Foods tells me that the heat might actually speed up the hull split on the almonds. That could mean more insect damage, but shouldn't be too big a problem. Chief Meteorologist Jason Stiff checking conditions for us people. Now, we're not rooted in the ground. We can escape the heat, but it's still pretty rough out there.
See, I can move.
It's nice. It's a privilege.
It is nice. It's very, very advantageous. But yeah, we still have a lot of heat outside. We're going to have plenty of that going forward. We've had a little bit of smoke in the air, too, from area fires, mainly to our south. You can see that in our current air quality. Now, thankfully for our region, our air quality is pretty much good across the board. Some areas in the moderate category around Trinity County, but most of the bad air quality is mainly in the Lake Tahoe area as well as Reno itself. And as far as where the smoke and haze in the air is going to go, it's actually going to start clearing out. So we're going to have less haze in the sky. You probably noticed that looking at the moon last night or the sun today. It looked a little bit more orange or yellow than it usually does. But the good news is we'll have less haze and smoke in the air. We'll just have a little bit more cloud cover in the sky tonight. But even those clouds are going to go away fairly rapidly. And we're still going to have a lot of heat going forward. Right now in Redding, it's 105, 100 degrees in Chico at the airport, but hotter around downtown. 94 degrees in Paradise, 90 in Mount Shasta, and 97 hot degrees in Alturas. The wind isn't too strong, but we still have the breezes blowing around Modoc County, Lassen County too. 18-mile-an-hour sustained wind. We've had gusts between 20 and 25 in the valley, and the valley's humidity is still low, between 7 and 17%. So you definitely don't want to do any burning. We have the red flag warnings out for Siskiyou and Modoc counties, as well as that heat advisory through 11 o'clock tonight. Some clouds, but no good chances for any wet weather going forward. We're going to have those high clouds just traversing Northern California late tonight through early tomorrow. So about the time the sun rises tomorrow, we're going to have a mostly clear sky, then plenty of sunshine for us both Wednesday and Thursday as that strong ridge of high pressure just takes control of our weather pattern going forward. And although we will be more seasonable tomorrow, we're going to have another warming trend heading forward. Now, as far as that wind is concerned, we'll have some more gusty wind that will keep the air moving around much of the valley tonight. It's going to be a little bit tough for it to cool down. We will eventually cool down by sunrise, but we'll have more gusty wind as we move in the afternoon hours between 15 and 25 miles an hour. And we'll repeat that performance on Thursday with some more gusty wind as well. So if you're going to be outside, make sure you watch out for the more sensitive groups, pregnant women as well as newborn children and higher or older age children, the elderly, and people with chronic illnesses. Hot weather like this can really take its toll, so make sure everyone stays safe, drinks plenty of fluids, lots of time inside with the air conditioning or in the shade, and also make sure no one gets locked in any vehicles because that could be deadly very rapidly. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. Expecting highs between 90 and 95 in Siskiyou County and Trinity County. Seasonably hot for us on Wednesday, slightly cooler than today. For northeastern California, still breezy in the afternoon hours. Daytime highs upper 80s and lower 90s after a mild night. For the ridge, not cooling down very far. We'll have lows in the 60s with some lower 70s around Magalia, Concow, and Paradise. Most highs be in the 80s, but we'll still top out at 90 degrees in Paradise. And for the valley, we'll still have the high clouds overnight tonight. Some breezes keeping the temperatures a little bit more elevated. Lows be in the 60s, highs seasonable tomorrow. Upper 90s, lower triple digits, 12 degrees cooler than it was yesterday, so it's going the right way. And the Chico area, lows tonight, upwards of 70 degrees, daytime highs in the upper 90s tomorrow afternoon, but it won't stay there very long. Next 7 days in Chico, going to get hotter Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, cooling down to below average by next Tuesday. And for the Redding area, nothing but sunshine and heat almost every day in the triple digits, but below average next Tuesday.